Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. I'm right outside of Ulta right now, and the new Billie Eilish fragrance, which actually has been out for a while, is now available in stores at Ulta. So we're gonna head inside and we're gonna go pick one up. Time to do a little unboxing. Alright you guys, so I am back in the car right now, and I just first want to say this and just put it out there. I wouldn't consider myself like a ride or die hardcore Billie Eilish fan. There's a few songs that I like I appreciate her as a person, but I wouldn't necessarily say I'm like a crazy fan or anything like that. Like, I'm just kind of like whatever, you know? So I just kind of want to put that out there for you guys. So you're pretty much going to be getting like my unbiased opinion on this fragrance today, which I'm very excited for because the packaging is just amazing. You guys already saw that clip when I was in stores. Like, it looks beautiful. Like, that bottle is amazing. So I'm super excited for that. I did also want to share with you guys, so I guess in Ulta right now, if you get the 3.4 ounce, which is the biggest size, which is what I got, you also get a free like tote bag too. So I want to show you guys this because I think this is like the nicest tote bag I've ever had, because I don't know, it just feels fancier. Actually, I wouldn't say fancier, I lied. Okay, so this is what the tote bag looks like, you guys. It's just like your average cream type of tote bag or whatever. And then we also have like this super faux leather like handles, or like, yeah, like straps, handles, whatever it is. Nothing crazy about it. It's a nice little tote bag to just take like on vacation or something, you know, or if you want to do like grocery shopping. But yeah, and then just on the front it says Eilish, Billie Eilish. I thought that was nice though, that they threw a little something in. So I actually called to place this fragrance on hold because my local Ulta didn't even get them in. So they actually had it in, and when I went to go pay, she's like, I also saved you one of the tote bags because we only had 2 left. And I'm like, really? Thank you so much. So she saved that for me, the Ulta employee, so thank you. But anyways, you guys, let's just get on right into this unboxing. All right, let's just take the annoying plastic off, which is also satisfying though. Oh my gosh, I am so excited, you guys. Okay, let's just go over the box first of all. So this is what the box looks like. It's gold on the front. It just kind of has like the top part of the actual bottle like kind of showing. So this is what the actual bottle looks like, the top half. And then it just says Eilish, Billie Eilish. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce. Are there any notes on here? I don't see any notes on the box. I might have to look them up online. Let's just unbox this beauty. My goodness, I'm so excited. There she is, you guys. Okay. Here is Eilish by Billie Eilish. This bottle is so beautiful. It feels nice. She's heavy. It kind of reminds me of the KKW fragrance body type of fragrances, just because, like, you know, like the body and everything like that. That's just kind of what it reminded me of, even though they do look like completely different. That's just kind of what it reminded me of. But yeah, this is what she looks like. On the side, it just says Eilish by Billie Eilish. Yeah, and then to open it, you just take the top off, and there you have the actual fragrance. I'm very excited. I don't know what this smells like whatsoever. I didn't even smell it in stores. This is going to be a definite first impressions. So quickly, I just want to pull up the notes before we spray it. Okay, so I pulled up the notes, and I can already tell you guys I am going to love this fragrance. So the fragrance family is Amber Gourmand, and if you guys have been watching this channel for a little bit, you guys know that I am a sucker for anything that has amber in it. Oh my goodness, I love amber scents so much. And then the key notes, so on the top we have sugared petals, mandarin, and warm berries. The middle notes are creamy vanilla, soft spices, and cocoa. And then the base notes are sleek woods, warm musk, and tonka beans. I'm just gonna pull up my jacket a little bit and we're gonna spray it on my arm. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. This lady's like definitely like looking at me right now in the other car. Oh my gosh. This smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. This is actually super duper nice. I was not expecting this from this fragrance at all. It's definitely like a nice comforting type of warm fragrance. This fragrance reminds me of the By the Fireplace fragrance by Replica. Oh my gosh, they are so freaking similar. And I love that fragrance to death. No, I do not own it, but every time I go into like Sephora, I always like spray it on because I love that fragrance so much. And this fragrance smells exactly like that. Oh my goodness. And I'm literally not trying to be dramatic right now. Like, this is actually like my true reaction right now. Like, this is actually so freaking nice, you guys. Billie Eilish, you did a good job on this fragrance. My goodness. It also reminds me a little bit of Bath & Body Works Bonfire Bash fragrance. If you do like Bonfire Bash, think of this Billie Eilish fragrance as the actual perfume of Bonfire Bash. Like, oh my goodness. This is so nice. Okay, I just want to go over the notes one more time. So sugared petals, like, I wouldn't necessarily say I'm getting like a floral element to this fragrance. The slightest bit, but nothing crazy. Definitely getting some creamy vanilla and cocoa and the sleek woods. Like, it's definitely like a nice, warm, woodsy type of scent. So like I said, I have the 3.4 ounce and this guy goes for $68 US. And then there's the 1.7 ounce that goes for $58. And then we have the 1 ounce that goes for $48. In my opinion, like, say you were gonna get the 1.7 ounce, literally it's only a $10 difference to get double the amount of product. So I say go for it, get the big one and get your money's worth. This is so nice, you guys. So on Ulta, there's like a little like feature section and it is vegan, clean ingredients, paraben free, carton made with 100% wind energy and envirofoil and biodegradable cello wrap. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. What a good job Billie Eilish did on this fragrance. So I give her props for that. Do I recommend this fragrance? Yes. Yes, I absolutely do. If you do like those warm, woodsy, vanilla, like super cozy type of scents, you are gonna love this fragrance. And if you own the Replica by the Fireplace fragrance, you are gonna love this fragrance. If you love Bonfire Bash by Bath & Body Works, you are going to love this fragrance. It is so nice. Like, I'm actually obsessed with this fragrance. I think this is gonna be today's fragrance for the day, so I think we're just gonna spray myself with... Oh my gosh, it is so nice, you guys. I love it. I love it so much. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Billie Eilish fragrance unboxing. Like I said, like, I'm seriously obsessed with this fragrance right now. It smells so good. If you guys are interested in purchasing this fragrance, I'm gonna have the link to it down below in the description box. If there are other like fragrances you guys want me to review that are like non-Bath & Body Works and actual like colognes, perfumes, whatever they are, let me know down in the comments below and I will try to do those for you guys. Again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.